Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to design a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to build is a digital counter. We will start from schematic to a PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First, we want to create a new project. So we will go to File, New, Project, then we will change the project name to Digital Counter. Then we will select the folder, then hit create. After that, we want to add a schematic and PCB files to the project file. So right click to the project name, then add a new to project, schematic, then PCB. After that, we want to save the two files to the same project file. So right click to the schematic and save, and PCB the same thing. Then we will go to the schematic sheet. This is the circuit that we want to build. So now we want to get all that component. From manufacturer part search, we want to get the component we need. So first we want to search about 555 timer. Right click to the component and hit place. Then drag it to the workspace. After that, we want to get the IC 4026. So right click, then place. Now we want to get the 7 segment. So we will search. The green sign means the component have a footprint. So right click, then place. We will drag it here. Then we will get the push button. Then we need the resistor, so we will search resistor. We don't need the surface mount, so we will go to filter and choose axial. Then we will get the capacitor. Then we want to get the USB connector to deliver the bar to the circuit. If you want to know any information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and search about any component you need and read the data sheet of that component. Now we want to connect all the components according to the circuit. If you notice, there is an error because there is a many components have the same name. Instead of change the component name manually, you have to go to Tools, Annotation Schematic, Update the changes, Accept the changes, Validate the changes, Execute the changes, then Close. So the error is gone. Now we want to convert the schematic sheet to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB document, then Validate, Execute, then Close. Now we will select all the components and drag it to the workspace. Then we will delete the room, and now we will rearrange the component. Now we will change the board shape. So we will go to View, Board Planning Mode, then we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape. Then we will change the board to fit all the components. Now we want to draw the copper tracks between the components. So we will go to Route, Auto Route, then we will hit All. Now we will select Route All, then Close. After that, we want to add a polygon to the circuit. So we will go to Tools, Polygon Boards, Polygon Manager. Then we will, from New Polygon, we will select Board Outline. Then we will select Top Layer and connect the polygon to the ground. Then we will remove the dead copper and select Bore over all same net object. Then Apply. Okay. Now we want to add a polygon to the bottom layer. Again, from Tools, Polygon Boards, Polygon Manager, Board Outline. Then we will select bottom layer, connect to the ground, and remove the dead copper and apply. Okay. To see the 3D view of the circuit, you have to go to View, 3D Layout Mode. So this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.